Your smartphone is a miracle of engineering, but it would lose to a machine built 2,000 years ago because your phone relies on satellites. This machine relied only on the genius of a lost civilization. Easter 1901. A violent storm forces a group of Greek sponge divers to take shelter near the rocky cliffs of Antikythera Island. Hoping for a lucky catch, a diver named Elias Stadiatis descends 45 meters into the dark abyss. He signals frantically to be pulled up. He emerges trembling, babbling about a heap of rotting corpses. But they weren't corpses. They were bronze statues from a sunken Roman galley. In the midst of this treasure, they recovered a lump of corroded green rock. It was ignored for months, until it cracked open, revealing a precision bronze gear. This wasn't just a simple clock. It was the Antikythera Mechanism. Detailed 3D X-rays reveal it contained at least 30, possibly up to 37 hand-cut bronze gears. These gears were packed into a wooden case, the size of a shoebox. It had a front dial showing the Greek zodiac and the Egyptian calendar. But the back was even more terrifying. It tracked the Metonic cycle, a 19-year lunar cycle, and the Saros cycle, predicting eclipses with a specific glyph to indicate if it was day or night. Think about that. In an era before paper was common, they built an analog computer to simulate the cosmos. For 100 years, one part of the mechanism baffled scientists. The moon doesn't move at a constant speed across the sky. It speeds up when closer to Earth and slows down when further away. This is called elliptical motion. Modern science explains this with Kepler's laws from the 17th century, but recent studies in current year confirm that the Antikythera creators solved this problem 700 years before Kepler was born. They used a genius engineering trick called a pin and slot mechanism. Two gears, slightly off-center, connected by a pin. As they turned, the leverage changed, perfectly mimicking the moon's variable velocity. This implies they understood variable motion mathematically, a millennium ahead of Newton. This brings us to the most disturbing question. Technology doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It evolves. Where represent the prototypes? Where represent the successors? The Roman politician Cicero actually wrote about a device made by Archimedes that could reproduce the movements of the sun and moon. For centuries, historians thought Cicero was exaggerating. Now we hold the physical proof in our hands. This machine proves that a high-tech industrial revolution was starting in ancient Greece. But then, the civilization collapsed. The Library of Alexandria burned. The knowledge was lost. It's like finding a fully functional jet engine inside a medieval castle. It breaks our timeline. Did humanity lose 1,000 years of progress? Or are there more machines waiting in the mud, hidden from history? The Antikythera Mechanism isn't just a relic. It is a warning that knowledge is fragile. Once lost, it may take millennia to rediscover. If you want to explore the detailed blueprints of this lost technology, check the deep dive links in the description. In our next episode, we will reveal the hidden void recently discovered inside the Great Pyramid using cosmic ray scans. You don't want to miss that. Subscribe to Hidden Facts Lab and uncover the truth.